This is one of the most famous yet so often misunderstood physics thought experiments. Enter Schrödinger's cat. Wait.
The premise goes as follows. Schrödinger locks up his imaginary cat in a box with a device that after 1 minute has a 50% chance of blowing up and killing the cat. So logically, after 1 minute, the cat is either dead or alive. But assuming that the device is completely silent, the observer would have no way of knowing the status of the cat until they've checked the box. The cat is in the quantum superposition of being both dead and alive.
What?
Surely this Schrödinger guy must have had some sort of clever reasoning behind all of this. Well, what if I told you this was all the 1930s equivalent of a little trolling? Schrödinger actually meant his famous cat example as a joke. He was giving an example to show how downright absurd the Copenhagen interpretation was.
Hey Heisenberg, by your logic, this cat is both dead and alive. No, actually, that does make quite a bit of sense.
And that's why